The fancy battery charging animation on Mi Mix Alpha looks very beautiful. However, not everyone is going to buy it. But that doesn't mean that you can't enjoy the same feel on your device. So hey guys, AP here, back with another video. You're watching TechnoKing, and today I will be reviewing a MIUI theme which will make your device look more stunning. So guys, without any further delay, let's get started. Apart from the charging animation, this theme also comes bundled with other features. So first of all, let me show you the theme itself. The name of this theme is Future V11 Pro, and since this is not a third-party theme, so it is available on the theme store. And as always, the download link will be given in the description box below. Now let's have a quick glance at what this theme offers us. So it has this fancy looking charging animation, themed home screen, quick setting panel, dialer and messaging apps are themed as well. Now let's just quickly apply this theme so that I can show all of its features one by one briefly. So just after applying, the first thing that you will notice is the animation of the clock widget, and this happens whenever you unlock your phone. The icons inside settings sections are also themed. And one more thing which makes this theme super cool are these colorful back gesture. Now this colorful thing occurs every time whenever you trigger your back gesture. Now let's proceed towards home screen clock alignment. This theme allows us to align home screen and lock screen clocks in different ways. And the good thing is that every alignment has its own system animation. The first one is the default one, and the second one is vertically aligned. Then comes the third one, which looks similar to iOS clock widget, and obviously it also has its own animation on unlocking the screen. Similarly, there are two other widgets which are customizable. You can change the text and avatar picture from theme settings. Now let's check the lock screen clock alignments. The first one is the default one with bright background. The second one also looks similar to the first one except for the dark background. The third one also has dark background but with a motivational quote, and it looks somewhat similar to AOD lock screen, which are only available for devices having an AMOLED screen. The fourth one has a vertical clock alignment, and it has my personal favorite animation among all others. Then we have the iOS style clock alignment. Now there are much more customizable things available on the theme settings. For example, you can change the icon from static to dynamic and vice versa. You can change the motivational quote steps counter. You can change the home screen and lock screen clock style from here too. Now here comes the most fascinating part of this theme, which makes it special. It has two different charging animations. Let me first quickly connect my phone with the charger. The first one is this fancy looking grumpy style charging animation, which says 1000 watt super fast charging, which is insane. And the second one is cosmic charge, which is also good. Now there are plenty other customizable stuffs as well. You can also disable system charging animation from here if you want. So guys, that's all for this video. I'll recommend you to try out this theme once and explore it yourself. Alright, so if you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button, share this video, and for more tech related stuff, make sure to stay subscribed to our channel. In my next video, I will be featuring some live wallpapers again, which when combined with this theme will make your device look dope. So make sure to stay tuned. Till that, it's AP signing off. Thanks for watching, take care, and I hope to see you guys soon.